Piecing together your post-op recovery gear one item at a time is not only stressful, but it can quickly drain your wallet. Many patients don't realize that buying their machine, specialized pad, skin protection, and ice accessories separately leads to unexpected expenses and missing parts right when they should be focusing entirely on healing. Welcome to My Cold Therapy. Today we're breaking down the major benefits of a complete cold therapy bundle kit, which packs everything you need for a safe, smooth, and seamless orthopedic recovery into one comprehensive package. This is part of our comprehensive cold therapy and recovery series, covering everything from post-op safety to long-term mobility. If you find these guides helpful, hit like and subscribe. Are you preparing for an upcoming surgery and wondering how you're going to keep up with the constant demand for ice? Or are you looking for an easy all-in-one setup? Drop your comment below with your answers, your questions, or any videos you'd like to see next. Now, let's dive right in. The first and most apparent benefit of this kit is complete customization. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. With our bundle option on mycoldtherapy.com, you select the exact cold therapy machine that fits your lifestyle and prescription, paired with the precise anatomical pad you need, whether that's a specialized knee, shoulder, hip, or universal pad. This ensures targeted, deep penetrating cold delivery right where your body requires it most. One of the biggest complaints patients have post-surgery is the sheer volume of ice cubes required to keep a machine running. Traditional ice cubes melt rapidly, meaning constant trips to the store or running a noisy home ice maker around the clock. That's why our bundle includes a 12-pack of Omni ice freeze bags. These heavy-duty, double zipper pouches are freezer-safe, food-safe, and designed to hold liquids securely. By freezing these bags ahead of time, they act as a reusable, long-lasting ice blocks inside your cooler. Pro tip, freeze 6 or all 12 bags. Drop 3 or 4 into your machine to keep the water freezing cold and rotate them out with the fresh ones in your freezer when they thaw. This means less ice making, fewer refills, less mess, and consistently colder therapy. Safety should never be an afterthought, which is why the Omni Ice non-sterile skin barrier is automatically bundled into this kit. Applying a freezing cold pad directly to bare skin or fresh surgical incisions can lead to severe cryo burns and frostbite. Quick check-in. If this info is helping you take charge of your recovery, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community. We're dropping new guides every week to give you the edge you need to heal faster. For the medical devices, products, and recovery essentials we talk about in our videos, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to see how we can help upgrade your home setup. Have a question or a tip of your own? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. All right, now let's get back to the video. The included skin barrier is crafted from a lightweight, breathable, non-woven material that protects your skin while allowing perfect thermal transfer. It features integrated adhesive backing that is twice as strong as standard alternatives, so it won't slip or bunch up when you move. Because it's non-sterile, it is stress-free to handle and reposition right out of the box. Most importantly, bundling it saves you from paying over $30 for expensive, single manufacturer branded sterile dressings. When you look at the total picture, the ultimate benefit of the Ice Cold Therapy Kit is absolute peace of mind and maximum cost efficiency. Instead of ordering individual parts and stressing over compatibility, or if you're missing anything, you get a premium machine, a tailored pad, reusable freeze bags, and vital skin protection arriving at your doorstep all at once, while saving money in the process. You can buy your recovery bundle kit by visiting our website at mycoldtherapy.com. We hope this guide gives you the confidence you need to take the next step in your recovery. To ensure you're set up for success from start to finish, be sure to explore the rest of our video library for more expert tips and walkthroughs. If you're looking for the medical devices and products featured in our videos, head over to mycoldtherapy.com to browse our full collection. Got a question about today's topic or a suggestion for a future video? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey to better mobility. Thanks for watching, and as we always like to say around here, let's get back to living.